What up, Sporting Goods? Gonna run the ammo for Ben. 10 spots, $21 a spot. Got Shane on top, Corey on the bottom. It's 2:01 Central Time. Live at 2:01. I'm gonna go 7 times. 0118, 0118. Good luck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shane on top, Gabriel on the bottom. Final row is gonna be at 2:01 Central. Number 7. Congrats. Brian L. Lockwood. Lockhart, Lockwood, I don't know which one. No, he won the freaking pressure washer. I won it. 201.40. Congrats. I haven't won before. I haven't won since then, and hadn't won a few weeks before that. I'm just giving up. Congrats.